Hey guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. So today's video I'm going to show you guys how to create a WhatsApp store just as the one you're seeing right now on the screen. So if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I want to say welcome, and if you're my returning subscriber, welcome as well, and thank you for returning back to us. Okay, so here's our channel on YouTube. Just come here and subscribe. So you can see, as at the time I was recording this video, we have 95 subscribers, so please make sure you subscribe to this channel. All right, let's continue to grow here on this platform, as I'll keep giving you updates regarding to how to grow your business online, how to make money online, all the tech skills that you actually need to get equipped for the favor market. You actually will be getting them for free here on this channel. So all I need you to do for me is to just hit the subscribe button. It's that simple. Like, why have you not subscribed? I'm talking to you that is listening to me right now, and you haven't subscribed. Why haven't you subscribed? Why? Just tell me why. Okay, so I want to believe that at the end of this video we're going to hit the subscribe button, and we're going to be up to 100 subscribers and more. Okay, so let's get down to today's business. So I said I was going to show you how to create a WhatsApp store just as the one you're seeing right now. Okay, so in this particular store you get to list your products and services, you get to list their cost, which is the price, and your customers can actually add your product to cart, and when they add to cart they can get to see the cart button, and you see here, so they can decide if they want to increase it to just 2 products or just 1 product, and then click on address. Then they have to fill in their details, continue, and then you get to select a payment method. All right, so we have 2 payment method here, which is pay start or pay later. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to set this up, and you're going to love it, trust me. Okay, so what you need to do is to come to this website called VPAR. When you get here, it's VEPAAR.com. all right, I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. Okay, so VPAR is a platform that enables you to create a WhatsApp store, and your customers can get to see what you sell. So if you are a business owner who do not have money to host your website for now, and you really want to get your business online, aside from just getting to post on your WhatsApp status, you need a platform to list all the services you render, all the products you have for sales, then you should try this VPAR out. Okay, this platform is amazing. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that right away. So what you need to do is to come here and you create an account. Okay, so I already have an account before. All you need to create an account is a working email, a phone number, and a few details like address, and you're good to go. So I'm just going to come here and click on login, and then it's going to take me to where I have to fill in my login details. All right, so you can see my login details are here. So when you get to this particular aspect, if you don't have an account, you can just click on create an account to get started. All right, so I'm just going to log in, and it's going to take me to my dashboard. Okay, so your dashboard is where you get to do all the tasks, all the arrangements, add all the products, the categories, for them to be visible on your store. Okay, so you can see right here now I already have an account which is signed up with them. So when I get here, I'm going to head over to my store, and then you see dashboard. Okay, so it's still loading, so you get to see dashboard. So when I click on this store URL, you can see my store URL here. So what you do is when you click on dashboard, it's going to bring you here. You can click on this store, just click on edit for you to change the domain name. Okay, so you see option in your own domain. This one has to do with you having to pay. Okay, you have to use your own domain to make your biz page and store live, but we're going to use the VPAR store URL. So they are going to just give us a part of their domain for us to use, so you don't need to pay. Everything I'm going to show you here are all free. You don't need to pay for any single thing. All right, so what I do here is, let's say I don't want to use this name, I can just change this name to something else. Let's say tech services, and I click on save. So if that name I input there is available, it's going to show us save here. But if it's not available, it's not going to show us there. Okay, so right now what I'm going to show you how to do is you're going to head over your dashboard again. I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to navigate around your dashboard area. Okay, so you see your store URL here, you see your business, which is your about your business. You get to see all the things that you can actually do with this VBOOK. You can install the Chrome extension if you're using your laptop. Now, one thing I want you to note is that you can actually use or access this website using your smartphone, and it's even more user friendly when you're using it from your smartphone. Okay, it has an application also which you can download from Google Play Store or App Store. Alright, so whichever one of them is more convenient for you, you might want to try it out and see. Okay, so let's get started and let's see what we can do with this. Okay, so the next thing I want to take you through is to come to the CRM. This CRM is usually for conversations and all of that. You want to have a chat, the messages that you send to people, your broadcast list, your contacts from WhatsApp. You want to add new contacts from here. This is where you do them. Okay, so if you're using your smartphone to access this website, it's very easy for you to add contacts and all of that. Okay, also you can see now all the WhatsApp groups that you belong in. You get to see all their contacts here, but right now I'm not connected to that. I'm just going to show you how to create a store on this website, okay, and list your products and services. That's the major thing I'm going to show you here. Okay, so let's head over to store, and so here in your store you also have another dashboard. So in your dashboard you get to see everything that has to do with your store. Has anybody made an order? Has anybody paid for a particular product? Any other thing? Everything, you're going to see them here. Okay, so you see total orders, you see revenue you made, you see your average order and total items sold. So you get to see orders here. So right now we don't have any orders. Okay, you get to see reviews. If anyone leave a review on your site, you get to see all of them here in this review button. Also, you get to see the product option. This is where you have your products. Okay, so you can see here now I have one particular product here, which is the website lead easy, and it's being sold for 8,000 naira, and I have just 20 pieces in stock. So let's say this is an ebook I'm selling. It has just 20 products in stock. So for those who sells physical products like bags, shoes, clothes, anything that is physical, okay, that people can handle, you have to put it in stock so that people don't order when you don't have in stock. Okay, so if you have a product like a bag or a shoe you have for sale, it's advisable that you have to include the number of stock you have. Okay, do you have just 10 pieces in stock or just 2 pieces? Please notify so that when the orders are much, if they exceeds the number you have in stock, the system will actually notify your customers that this product is actually out of stock. Okay, so now let's get started. So right here you can see categories. Now one thing that categories does for you is that it helps you to group your products into it helps you to group them in such a way that your customers will have to understand what this particular product is meant for. For example, you have female, male and children. So some of the products you'll be uploading, maybe you have a shoe for children, you should not upload that product to a category of female. It should be categories of children. So do you understand what I'm trying to say now? So that's what I mean by categories. It helps people to understand what your products are all about. Okay, so that being said, you can see here I have Tech Pro, I have ebooks, and just as you can see right now I have just 2 categories. So if I click on Tech Pro, you find that this particular product is also linked to Tech Pro. If I click on ebooks, I don't have any product on ebook. All right, so what I need to do now is here in my product, I just click on add new product, and you get to see 3 product types. We have the simple product, which is just a product that is unique and does not offer varieties. For example, people who sell products like okay, let's say you sell bags. Okay, you can actually use this simple product. you sell bags. But for the variable, if you sell bags that have various colors, like it has a color in red, black, green, and you want to specify, then you have to use the variable. But if you don't have your products in variables like that, in different sizes or measurements, maybe like SL, large, medium, extra large, then you should be using the simple product, okay? And then the digital product for those who sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, and webinars, and the rest of them, okay? So if you understand it to this point, then I think we are good to go. So let's say, for example, I want to upload a simple product, okay? So I just click on products and I'm going to put the name of the product, okay? Simple men's. So this is simple menswear, and under which category am I going to include this? So let's say I'm going to say this should be on ebooks, and the regular price is 10,000, but right now I'm giving it out for 9,500, okay, which is a discount of 5%. And then allow, you see option to allow multiple quantity in fact, meaning one person can actually buy more than one product, okay? Person can order for 2 or 3, okay? This is the option you're seeing here. Then the measurement, which is optional, it has to do with how many kg. This is in 7, let's say this is in 7 kg, it's optional. Okay, so you could just put something there, and then next thing you want to do is link for more details. Maybe you have a website, or you want them to come to you via your WhatsApp, you could just put a link here. All right, so now if this product is out of stock, let's say you've sold this product for like a couple of times and it's out of stock, all you need to do is you come back to this product and then you just untick it and say out of stock. All right, right now the product is active, so I just click on what, create. Okay, so it has been successfully created, and then the next thing you want to do is when you get here, you just scroll down and see if there's any other options for you to add again. Okay, so you come here and click on media. So right now there is no media, which is the image of this product you're selling. So I just click on add new media, add image, and it's going to take me to my computer where I get to select the image I want to use. Okay, and then it will ask me to crop the image. Okay, so this is the image I have for this particular product, and once it's selected, you see it here. Okay, so what you see now, you see that the product has an image already. So that's how you create product. Now you want to ask me, how do you create these categories, your Tech Pro and ebooks? You come here to categories, and I can just add a new category. So let's say this new category is menswear. Okay, so I click on create. So it has successfully created, you see it here. So I come here to badges, come here to categories, I mean to say, so you can see menswear, Tech Pro, ebook. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, remember that product I created just now, which is this. I'm just going to go back to edit it and then change the category to menswear. Okay, so when you're done with that, just click on the save button. Okay, so let's say this particular product is available in 10 pieces. How do you do that? You come here to stock and you see option, how many products do you have in stock? So let's say we have 25 pieces in stock. I just click on save. So it has been saved successfully. So the next thing I want to do is, how do you create these badges you see here? So come to badges and you see option to add new badge. Okay, so add the badge name. So let's say this is this is new arrival. I'm going to use this, and I'm going to use this emoji, and then I'm going to click on the create button. So it has successfully created, you can see now. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you let's say you want to create attributes. So these attributes are mainly for people, business owners who sell physical products that are in various sizes, quantity, colors, and measurements. Okay, those are the people who need these attributes features. So what you need to do is to just come here, click on add new features, and says with the help of product attributes you can create product variants. Attributes and these options are created at global level and can be used in all the products. Okay, so you get to see now, you see sizes, you see colors, you see weights. Okay, so let's say we have for size, we want to create for size. Okay, so you see the various, you can use drop down or radio button or colors. Okay, so for example, I'm going to use this particular radio button. Okay, and I just save. So this is for size, so I can add options. Okay, so let's say this size is for XL. I click create. So these are the various sizes we're going to be working with. Another one is L, which is large. Okay, another one is medium. Another one is X. Okay, so we have actually 4 sizes that we are working with. Okay, so the next thing I want to do now is I'm going to click on attributes again. So we have for size, you can see here. So I'm going to click on add new and then click on colors. Okay, so I click on save. So it has been saved successfully. So the next thing you want to do is to add options. So let's say this is red, click on create. So if you sell products or like bags that are in various colors, you can just do this. So let's say this is green. Add option again, you see this is rose. So I'm going to add the last one. Let's say this is blue. Okay, so I'm going to click on the save option. Okay, and then head back to attribute. So if you know you've watched this video with this particular item and you still haven't subscribed to our channel, please head back and click on the subscribe button now. Click on the subscribe button now. If you don't subscribe, you're going to see me alright in your house today. Okay, I'm just joking, but please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's head back and you can see we have 2 attributes here, and I'm going to show you how you can assign this attribute to your products. Okay, so I'm going to add a new attribute again. Okay, so it says, you can see now we only have access to use just 2 attributes. Okay, can you see now? Right now we need to upgrade before you can use it. So what you need to do is the 2 most important attributes that you know that your products need, that's what you should work with. Okay, so if you know you need size and weight, you go with size and weight, or you need size and color, or you need weight and color. Just decide which of them you want to work with. Okay, so let's say we've exhausted that attribute. Okay, we have just size and color. So what we're going to do now is to head over back to our products, and let's say that the products we have, we need to assign them. Let's say this particular one also, we need to assign attributes. Okay, so I'm going to come here. Okay, this is how it's going to work. Let's go back to products again, add new product, and we're going to use variable this time. Okay, so remember it is variable that have access to size, colors, measurements, and all of that. So I'm just going to put the name of the product. Let's see, this product is in so women laughing. Category is let's say menswear, and then the price is 12,000. But right now we're selling for 11,500. You can add a description if you want to. It's optional, and just click on the create button. So after clicking on the create button, you're also going to come here and click on media, where you get to add the image. Okay, so I click here, so you can add image or video of this particular product. So it comes here, it takes me to my image where I get to save and use this. Okay, okay, so we have our image here now, and then the next thing is click on the badges if you're going to see any badge to work with. So you can see new badge now. This says new arrival. So remember when I showed you how to create the badges, that's how you work with it. So I click on new arrival, just apply it. It's applied, and you come to variants. We don't have any option for variant right now. So if you want to add new, you can add new variant. So see option to add. Okay, so you can see the sizes now. There was an error where processing a request, blah blah blah. Okay, that being said, just come here and say add. So don't forget to add these two. Okay, it's very important. It will enable you to work with the attributes. So the next thing you want to do is to click on continue. Okay, and then head over to attributes. So you can see the 4 of them here. So you can see it has been assigned. Do same for this one. It has been assigned as well. Okay, so head back to variant. Let's see. Just going to add variants again. Okay, so you can see the variants we have here now. So you get to select. It's available in large. You see now, it's available in S large, available in medium. Okay, then if you want to assign it that if it's available in red, then it's available in extra large. You can get to see it now, right? You see, then if the particular price for the red and then extra large is different, you can assign it as well. Okay, just put the image there and you are good to go. So this is how it works. If you get here to the variants, if you want to assign the price for red bag and extra large, let's say the price for red bag and extra large is higher than the normal price, you can set that from here. So let's say the price for that is 2,000. Okay, I mean it's 12,550, but right now we're giving you for 11,500. And as well, you can also add variant image for that particular style. So what you do is to click on add image and you get to select your own image to add. So I'm using this. Okay, so now what you do is to click on create. Okay, so that particular variant, can you see now, has been created. If you want to add new, you click on that add new button and you set price for green. Green is available in medium. Okay, it's available in medium, and I can say the price is 12,200, but we're giving you for 11,500. Add image and then click on create. So that is what the variants and the attribute actually do for you. That's the major difference between the variant and the attribute. The attribute helps you to give various styles like the colors, the sizes, and the measurements. Okay, but then the variant helps you to set price for these attributes that you have created. If the bag is available in green, is it the same price as when it's available in red, or is it the same price as when it's available in extra large or medium or large? That is what the variant and attribute, both of them work for. So when you're done with that, all you need to is to head back. So now you want to ask me, when you're finished creating all of this, how do you set up payments? How do your customers pay later or use payment gateways such as Paystack. Now let me show you how to do that right away, okay? Because it wouldn't be fair of me to just show you how to upload your products here and not be able to receive payment, okay? So when you're done with that, you can just check on the charges, check on inventory, and then see how those other aspects works. But those are not really so important, okay? The major things that you actually need are what I have touched so far, which are the product, the categories, and the badges, the attributes, okay? Those are the major things you actually need. The next thing you want to do is the shipping, okay? So you come here to click on shipping, and then you see add new location. Where are the places that you actually ship to? What are the amount you ship to these particular areas, okay? So let's say for someone like me, I ship to Lagos, okay? And the amount I charge for Lagos is 2,000 naira. Free orders above for orders above. So let's say you want to do free order for orders above 50,000, okay? And then the shipping charges note, okay? You can say so remember to fill in your details correctly, and then I click on active, then I click on create. It says there was an error, so I just check my internet connection and see. So you can see now it saved successfully, and then the next thing I want to do is to click on shipping again, so you get to see the shipping location. I can add as many locations as possible with various prices, okay? But right now you see it's telling us that it's time for upgrade, okay? So the next thing I want to take you through is notification. So let's say, for example, somebody they can send you an email or WhatsApp message when order is created. Maybe somebody made an order, will send you a notification. Order is processing, will send you. Order is shipped, delivered, everything you see here now. But it's actually not available for email. So as you can see, it says coming soon, coming soon, coming soon. So the other things are just on WhatsApp. So they get to send you a message on WhatsApp. That's why when you're creating your account, please make sure to use your WhatsApp phone number so that it's very easy, okay? And then the next thing you want to do is to come here to your checkout, okay? And the amount, the minimum order that someone should order should be above 1,000 minimum, okay? Customers will not be able to place order if the amount is below 1,000 naira, okay? So you're done. You can just click on save on this particular one, so it has been saved. And then you see add-ons, which you don't really need, but let's just see what we have there. Okay, name and description. Come to form, okay? So this is the form your customers get to fill when they are checking out, okay? So you want them to fill their name, their email, their address, their city, the state they are, their country, and then a note, okay? These are the most important things you want them to fill out. And then you click on save, okay? Now the next thing you do is to click on settings, and then you see the checkout note. So this checkout note should be more of like a note or a notice to your customers. Say, please endeavor to fill your details correctly. So please don't mind my spellings. I'm just trying to make this video as quick as possible. Okay, so when you're done with that, just click on save. Okay, so it has been saved. And then the next thing you want to do is, how do you want to verify your users, your customers? How do you want them to verify? You see WhatsApp, so they can verify through WhatsApp. Let your customer place an order quickly via WhatsApp. What this simply means is that they can check out on WhatsApp. So they can send you a message or send the message to Vipa, and Vipa will confirm it, then send you the order notice via WhatsApp. So once you click on active, you see Vipa official number is recommended. Your WhatsApp number, you receive a WhatsApp message on your number, and others will not be visible on Vipa. So I think the recommended option is VIPA official number. So VIPA will help you to track if these people really want to buy or they are just playing around before telling you that you need to confirm an order on VIPA. Okay, so what you do is just click on this option and then you click on save. Okay, so what I'm going to do is when we want to check the main store to see how it looks like, you're going to test all these features I'm making mention of now. Okay, we're going to test all of them one after the other. The next thing is you can also use phone numbers. Okay, so customers can actually use their phone numbers for verification. You see the option here, allow customers to check out their mobile number. While checking out, if you just select the payment gateway other than pay later, we will ask for the mobile number. Okay, so OTP verification, this means VIPA will send a notification to the person's phone number to verify for them to proceed with their orders. Okay, now you click on save. Okay, so if you have done that, the next thing I want to show you is banners. So I'm taking my time to actually explain all of this to you so that you can get to do all of this all by yourself. Okay, so I click on add new for the banners. So this banner is more of like, it's going to show as your store heading. So I click on add to go and look for a banner that you would love to use. Just need to get a very nice image. Okay, so let's say we use this. So you can see I'm going to crop it, and maybe the banner URL should take them to my Instagram account if I want to. So you can see now, and then I'm going to click on create. So it has been saved correctly. Okay, and then come to sitemap. So this feature is for those who have upgraded their plans. Okay, so let's skip that and go to payments. Okay, so this is the part some of you are actually craving for. I know you are actually craving for it. So right now you can see the only option that is turned up here is pay later. Okay, this is the pay later option which is turned up here. So what you're going to do is you're going to head over. You see various payment gateways that are acceptable here in Nigeria. If you're here in Nigeria, okay, or any other country you are, whichever payment is available here, trust me, you can use them. You have Stripe, you have Razorpay, you have Paystack, you have Flutterwave, you have PayPal. So whichever one of them, you just integrate and make do with it. Now one thing I want you to know is that when this platform actually came out, the only option we have here in Nigeria was just pay later. You don't have any other option other than pay later. So you can see now that a lot of things are actually being upgraded on this platform. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm going to use this Paystack option. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to click on settings, and then I'm going to enable this. So you can see, so when you get here, you're going to be asking me, where am I going to get my publishable key and secret key from? So this is what you're going to do. You're going to head over to Paystack website, go to paystack.com, and you need to create an account with them. Create a free account with them, a starter business account. What that simply means is that they're not going to require from you much document. All you need is a working phone number, your email, your bank account, your personal identity card, or it could be an NI slip or passport and the rest of them. So I already have a free account. Now if you want me to create a video showing you how to get started with Paystack, don't forget to comment. Leave a comment in the comment section, okay, and I will make a video. So please leave a comment if you want me to create a video on how to work on Paystack seamlessly, how to get your account approved within 24 hours. Okay, so I'm just going to log in. I already have an account before, so it makes the whole process easy for me. Okay, so what we're going to take from this Paystack is actually our publishable key and our secret keys. Okay, I come here to log in and use this login. Okay, so right now this account is not yet approved because it was an account I used in showing my students how to set up their own account. It was not a working, it wasn't for my own working purpose. I have a different account entirely I use for my business. So what I'm going to show you now is when you get to your account here, just go to settings. So if you already have your account working and approved, go to settings and then go to API keys and webhook. So when you get here, you see the public keys and you see the test secret keys. Okay, so come to VPA, you see publishable keys and secret keys. So what you do is these publishable keys, I'm going to come here, you see these public keys, I'm going to copy, come here now, and then I'm going to paste it. So come to secret keys, I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste this. So you see this webhook key you're seeing here, you're going to copy it. I can just say, okay, let's say we want to use test mode, okay. So this test mode now, all these I would copy, let's take it back. Okay, so it will be for just test mode. I'm going to paste this, copy this, Control A, and then I'm going to paste this. Okay, now if your account is live, all you need to do is to copy this particular webhook key, copy it, head over here, and you see webhook key. So you paste the webhook key here and then you save your changes. Okay, so if you've done that correctly, then you're good to go to use Paystack as a payment option on VPA store. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to save my changes, and you're good to go. Okay, now when you're done with that, the next thing I want to show you here before we visit our store is to click on coupon. Okay, so if you've ever heard of coupon simply means you get to offer a particular percentage off when people use a particular code on site, okay, on this your store. So how do you do that? Let's say the coupon code is party 2022, okay, and the discount value is 2,000 naira. So if anybody should apply this particular coupon code on your store, they will have a discount value of 2,000 naira. So if the person is supposed to pay 50,000, the person will be paying 48,000. Okay, so most times they use coupon code to attract more customers. People love a situation where they are buying and saving. Okay, so you can do that and see how it works for you. So when do you want it to expire? Let's say I want it to expire on the 15th, and the minimum cart amount is you must have up to like 10,000 naira in your cart before this particular coupon code will work. And then maximum is as much as you can, and then the maximum usage is you can only use this particular coupon code once. Once you use it once, you might not be able to use it again. Okay, and then it's visible on store active. Okay, so details is you will just ask something about this particular coupon, click on active and then click on create. So you can see, so it has been saved successfully. So the next thing you want to do is to come to your settings, come to your store settings, and you see, so turn off if you want to disable store on your biz page. No, I want the store to be there, and our store name should be showing something like let's say Tech Savvy Pro Store. Okay, and our currency is set to Naira. I think set to Naira by default. Okay, so I just click on save. See, there was an error. Okay, so you can see now I just select my Naira, select Nigeria Naira. Okay, and you save. So when you've done this correctly, just click on this option to visit store, and it's going to open the store for us. So let's see what we've got. So you can see this is our store, and remember this was the banner we created. Remember, so this is the banner, and these are the items we have currently on the store. Okay, so if you want to view it in the form of compact list, you get to see various options. See grid, this one will list them one after the other, and then this is for list, this is also for convert, this is for grid. So I think I prefer the grid options. Okay, so you see the various categories we created. See for menswear, you see for tech pro, you see for ebooks. So the categories makes it very easy for people to navigate around your store. So right now you can see there's no product for ebooks. Come to tech pro, there's one product for tech pro. Come to menswear, we have 2 products for menswear. So let's say I want to order for this particular women laughing. You can see the badge, which is a new arrival. Okay, so I just click on add to cart. So you can see now it's asking me to select options. Do I want it in color red or green? Or you see, if I say green is available in medium. You can see it's available in this. You can see now, you see it says not available, but it's available in extra large, while green is not available in extra large, it's available in large. So if I do that, I click on add to cart. How many products do I want? I want 1. Okay, so I just go to cart. So it takes me to my cart, and then you can see the note which says please endeavor to fill your details correctly before checking out. You see deliver to, see option to deliver to. Are you seeing Lagos, which is 2,000 naira? Okay, and then you click on address, and it says already a user login, or you can see option to deliver. Put in your name. What's my name? To my doorsteps. Okay, so when I'm done with that, I could just say, you can see the total charge here. The product I'm buying is 11,500 and the delivery charge is 2,000, no tax. Total is 13,500. So I click on my address. So you can see right now we have the payment option, which is pay later. So remember our pay stack which we set up is not yet live. We use the test option, that is why it is not yet available. So once you do your own, once you set up your own account and you use the live option by copying your public key and secret keys to your Vipa account, it becomes an option here. So you get to see pay later and you also get to see pay stack. So when I'm done with that, I just say, let's say I want to use the option for pay later. Click on place order, and then you see confirm your order. They will have to send me a code to my WhatsApp number. So let me put my WhatsApp number here. Okay, and then they will send me a one-time code. Okay, I think this is disabled because from the option I'm seeing here, say disabled it to no credit. So what I'm going to do is, let's head over to our account again and click on checkout. Okay, and then click on verification. So let's say we need to turn off one. Okay, so let's turn off this and save. Okay, so I'm just going to close this and say place order. So let me refresh this ASAP. I'm just going to refresh this ASAP. Okay, so I think they've actually disabled that particular option for the now, because as at when I created the first store, which I use in showing us how this works, this particular option you see here, if I click on pay later, you can see place order. It's working very well on this particular store I created. Okay, so I think one option is not right here. So what we're going to do is I come here to WhatsApp and I will select this Okay, so I just disable something. Let's see. So come here, let's refresh this and see. Okay, it says disabled due to no credits. Okay, but if you get here, this is how it actually works. If you get everything correctly, I will have to check this particular account to see what's the problem with it. But when you get to the stage of paying later, you put in your WhatsApp number and then you can verify your order. So let's say I want to put my phone number here. Okay, and then I click on place order. So you can see now here your order has been placed. So this is how it actually works. All right, so if you watched this particular point, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button on our channel. Okay, and if you want me to create a video on how to set up your Facebook account, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know you really want me to make a video on that, and I will show you how to go about that. So see you in my next video. All right.